I'm going to show you today how to change the fabric on a Jiraffe roller. I've got some fabric here that was cut wrong. You can see it's kind of hanging out on the end here. It's not supposed to happen. So I figured I'd use this as an opportunity to show you guys what you would do to change the fabric on this. Now, if you look at this side of the roller, you see there's no screws. So make sure that you have the screws facing up that you can see right here. That's what we're going to need. All right. Then once you have it in the right position, you're going to need just two things. An Allen wrench. This is 1.5 millimeters. And your new fabric. All right. I'm going to swap into the camel color here. So each of these screws has a little bit of thread lock on them. So you're going to have to break that thread lock loose and you'll be able to get these off. Don't have to worry about reapplying it. It will automatically lock itself back down when you screw these back in. So don't worry about having anything else. You just have to have the Allen wrench and the fabric. All right. This little aluminum bar, we call this the oilcloth lock, will come right off. It's a machined piece of aluminum. All right. Pull our fabric off. This one's compostable, so we can just throw this right in the garden and it'll compost right in our own garden. All right, put our new fabric on, line up our 3 holes right here, press the oilcloth lock on. Now I can see all the way down into there, so I know that it's lined up. If I see fabric, then it is not lined up properly. And I like to just start threading these a little bit just to get them started. It'll catch for me. There we go. So that way it holds it in place. Once you have 2 of them in, it'll get much, much easier. That's it. Good as new.